again, minnows. Are you ready to read? Good. Let's look at our new letter. O sounds like ah, ah, ah. Good. Let's sing together.
Not, not, dot, dot, hot, hot, caught, top, cop, mop, pop, dog, dog, cog, hog, hog, bog, nod, sod, cod, pod, sock, dock, rock, lock, sun, ton, on, con, job, rob, cob, sob, ox, locks, box.
Good job, minnows. You did it. Okay, I'll see you next time.
Let's learn together at Minnows English.